see Gorthon's reaction. Gorthon! Oh. He's pulling off all pieces. No, Gizmo, this is for Gorthon. Oh, he's such a big bite. I love the product. He actually does, though. Oh, ow, my fingers. I'm sorry, Gizmo, I didn't mean for you to get so little. Yeah. And he secluded himself with his piece of pizza crust he ate. Look at Gorthon. Oh, such a... Oh. He's... Hi, Zoe. Hi, hello. Yes, hello. The little babies. Look at you. So foofy. The others, they're gathering around the phone. They don't know what it is. Let's see Punko's reaction to this. Oh, he wants it. So does the mama cat. Look at that. Let's see if we can get her to do bear. Gizmo! Do bear. Do bear. Do bear. You want to do bear? You want to do bear? Yeah, man.
How they open is you go over there, and then...
Look at the little babies.
No, you go over there.
The kitty cats. Oh, he's still working on that piece.
Makeup is going to be in your mailbox. It's going to be like, I saw you.
Yeah.